Hey everyone, this is Ian Franzen, the College Web Pro. So this is lesson 5, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to change the header of the website and how to change the footer of the website. So you might be wondering what the header and footer even is. So you should be logged into the College Web Pro client editing system at this point. So if you click on the Pages menu, first I'll first start talking about the header and what that is, and then I'll go on to the footer. So click on, if you want to add a header to the website, click on Pages, and then let's say you wanted to add a footer or a header to the home page. So click on the home page, and you'll see there's no header right now. If you wanted to add a header, you could click on landing page or short header or tall header, and that would add a different type of header to the home page. So if you wanted to add a short header, click on short header and then click on save and edit. And you'll see it adds like a generic header image to the home page. So you can click on edit image and then add image, and then drag and drop your own image onto the header. And you probably wanted to cover the whole header, but it'll crop it. Then click on save at the top and then save to this page only. So now you have this header image. So you've added a header to the website. Or at least added a header to the home page, because this header doesn't come up on other pages, but it could if you wanted it to. So you can also, instead of just having a static header, you can have a slideshow. So you can click on edit image and then click on slideshow at the top. So you can add several different images if you just drag and drop the images here. Whoops. Drag and drop the images here, and it'll automatically crop those images. You can add a caption. You can add a caption to your second photo. And then click on save. And now you have a header with a slideshow in it. That looks pretty cool, huh? And this is a short header. So if you want to make it bigger, click on Pages and then click on Tall Header and click on Save and Edit. So that's kind of a bigger header. So you can also work with that in the same way that you would the other type of header. And there's also a landing page, which is like an image with text on it. So that's another type of header. So now that I've showed you a little bit about headers for the pages, I'm going to tell you about footers. Footers are the thing in the bottom. It's like basically columns or just a static, just a line of text, and it's a separate part of the website that it automatically copies to all the other pages. So you'll see the name of the business and a phone number down there. That's pretty standard. So if you have that down there at the bottom, it'll automatically copy to the other pages. So you'll see the A to Z landscaping on all the other pages and website by College Web Pro on all the other pages. So if you click on the footer down here, you can drag and drop elements onto the footer just as you would the regular page. You can also change the amount of columns. And yeah, add any elements that you want onto the footer at the bottom, and it'll automatically be copied onto the other pages. I wouldn't put a lot of content here on the bottom. Typically, it's for like the business name, the contact information, and the address. That's typically what goes on the footer, and maybe a couple of links to the other pages if you want. So you can play around with a footer and play around with the different header options on the Pages menu. So yeah, I think that's all I had for Lesson 5. Thanks for watching.